My dear students, today we are going to study the chapter Footprints Without Feet from class 10. Do you know what is the science fiction? Basically, it's a genre of speculative fiction that typically deals with imaginative and futuristic concepts such as advanced science and technology. प्यारे बच्चों, साइंस फिक्शन में किताबें, फिल्में, कार्टून वगैरह ख्याली मुस्तकबिल को बयान करते हैं. Before we begin the lesson, let me ask you a question. How will you feel if you come to know that police is in search of a person who is invisible? Isn't it surprising? In this story, you'll find something like that happening actually. So let's listen and find out what happens in the story. प्यारे बच्चों, ये कहानी एक साइंसदान की है. वो एक काबिल लेकिन चिड़चिड़ापन वाले और जाहिल मिजाज का इंसान था. उसने एक दवाई बना ली जिसके पीने से आदमी गायब हो सकता था, लेकिन उसकी उटपटांग हरकतों की वजह से उसे ये दवाई खुद ही निगलना पड़ी और गायब होकर एक गांव में जाके छुपना पड़ा. So, this story is about a scientist named as Griffin. He discovers a potion that could make an unclothed person invisible. Griffin was an ill-tempered person. He disliked his landlord and sets his house on fire. Then he swallowed this rare drug, put off his clothes and became invisible. Following this episode, he becomes mischievous. He not only steals clothes from a supermarket but also lots of cash, followed by other such deeds. To avoid getting noticed, Griffin moves from London to a small village. He stays at a local inn in this village. To make his face visible, he had put on some gears like false nose, whiskers, a long hat, all stolen from a theatrical company. This strange look made him suspicious among the inhabitants. When he is out of money, he steals from a clergy's house. He becomes a suspect in the eyes of the local people, and accordingly police is called. He escapes the police because of his ability to become invisible. Dear students, this was the crux, or you may say the brief summary of this lesson. Now time to discuss the themes. So the theme first is excessive greed can have unintended and disastrous consequences evidently reflected in the story. And theme second is it is good and appreciating to have a scientific bent of mind and do various kinds of inventions and discoveries, but at the same time it must be kept in mind not to misuse one's invention or discovery as has been done by Griffin in the story. Now the time to discuss assessment. Question number first is, Griffin was a magician or a scientist? Question number 2, he steals cash and other things from a supermarket, whether true or false? Question number 3 is, do you think Griffin misused his discovery? Discuss how. And question number 4 is, describe in your own words the character of Griffin. And the question number 5 is, comment on the ending or the last scene of the lesson. Dear students, please write the answers of above questions on your notebook and discuss them with your class teacher. Thank you. Thanks a lot for watching this video.